Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Betterment IRA contribution setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Betterment IRA contribution, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Betterment website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on Sign In and enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, click on the Get Started button to set up your account. After logging in, look for the Accounts tab in the main menu. Click on Accounts to view your account options. Select IRAs from the list of account types. Once on the IRA page, find the option to make a contribution. Click on Make a Contribution to proceed with the setup. You'll see various contribution options available. Choose the type of contribution you wish to make, such as a traditional or Roth IRA. Next, enter the amount you wish to contribute. After entering the amount, select the frequency of your contributions monthly, quarterly, or annually. Review your contribution details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be prompted to link a bank account if you haven't done so yet. Follow the instructions to securely link your bank account for transfers. After linking your bank account, you may be asked to confirm your identity. Complete any necessary verification steps, including providing identification or answering security questions. Once your identity is verified, return to the contribution setup. Final review is crucial, so double-check all information before finalizing. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button to complete your IRA contribution setup. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your contribution setup. Check your email for this confirmation to ensure everything is in order. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Betterment IRA contribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.